Did you know that as of 2023, Kenya's insurance penetration rate was 2.4%, which is below the global average of 6.8%. This is due to the fact that insurance is often seen as a luxury or a requirement for regulatory compliance. That means millions are just one accident or illness away from financial crisis. But here's the good news. Getting started with insurance in Kenya is simpler than you might think. Stick with me for a step-by-step guide on how to protect yourself and your family without breaking the bank. Step 1. Identify your insurance needs. In Kenya, the most common types of insurance include car, medical, and life insurance. Each serves a different purpose, so choosing what fits your situation is key. Our process begins by helping you assess your needs. At Step-by-Step Insurance, we know insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all. Do you need health coverage? Maybe you're looking to protect your car, or perhaps it's your home. We'll sit down with you to understand what matters most so that we can tailor the right policy. Step 2. Finding the best options. Step-by-Step Insurance partners with multiple leading insurers across Kenya to bring you a range of policies that fit your budget and unique needs. We help you find the right insurer with the best coverage options, competitive rates, and reliable claim support so you can make a confident choice. Step 3. Generating quotes. At Step-by-Step Insurance, we go beyond just showing you options. We gather quotes from various providers to give you a clear comparison of costs and benefits. Our team helps you review these quotes, answering any questions so you can confidently choose the best coverage that fits your budget and needs. Step 4. Simplified enrollment. Here, our team at Step-by-Step Insurance handles all the paperwork and details for you. Whether it's a health policy or auto insurance, we make sure the process is fast, transparent, and stress-free. No confusing jargon or hidden fees. Just straightforward, reliable service so you can focus on what matters most. Step 5. Ongoing support and guidance. At Step-by-Step Insurance, we're not just here to sell you a policy. We are your partners for the long haul. Our advisors are available to answer questions, help you file claims, and review your policies as your needs change. So why choose Step-by-Step Insurance? We are local, we are committed, and we put you first. With over 15 insurance products to choose from, we offer reliable, affordable options tailored just for you. And we make sure you understand every step of the process so there are no surprises. Ready to get started with insurance? Visit us at stepbystepinsurance.co.ke or reach out to our friendly team through phone or on social media at Step-by-Step Insurance on every platform. Our capable team will get back to you as soon as possible. At Step-by-Step Insurance, we're here to protect what matters most, one step at a time. Don't wait to secure your peace of mind.